Hello students, welcome to Aditi's classroom. Today we are going to discuss an important thing about history on which we often get confused. So let's start today's class. Today's class is about clearing the confusion about BC AD and CE BCE. Now, what is BC AD and CE BCE? Often we get confused about that. CE BCE is same or different. What is the difference? Especially for the history students, it is very important to clear this conception. So, here is your all solution of your problems. BC AD and CE BCE are basically year notation system or dating system of Gregorian calendar. What is Gregorian calendar? Gregorian calendar is a calendar system that we are following in present day. In this system, BC AD and CE BCE are used to express the timeline of history. Now, let's have a look about what is the meaning of that. BCE means before Christ. Here Christ is Lord Jesus Christ. And AD means Anno Domini. This is a Latin word which means in the year of Lord. Here the Lord is Lord Jesus Christ. In 525 AD, a Christian monk Dionysius Exiguus proposed that the incarnation year of Jesus Christ to take as a standard year, and after that the time flow will be called as AD, and before that year, that is the birth year of the Jesus Christ, will be called as BC. And the proposal of Dionysius was accepted and it was set as a system. Okay? And that was going well. But why then BCE and CE? Because the Jews have a problem. They have objection about the naming of that system because they do not consider, they do not accept Jesus Christ as a prophet, a Lord. You know, there is a conflict between two religions. This conflict and the debate is another topic. We will discuss it later in any other class. Now, about the objection of the Jews, not only the Jews, there was objection from any other communities also, because just one religion was getting so importance in the year notation system. So, a complete secular system, complete secular naming of the system was needed, and from that need, as early as 1708 CE or AD, the new naming of the year notation system was introduced, that is CE and BCE. Now what is CE? Common Era, and BCE is before Common Era. The Common Era is also called sometimes as Current Era, that is which is going currently. So, is there any difference in CE BCE or BC AD? The answer is no. Both are exactly same. Just the naming is the difference. BC is equal to BCE and AD is equal to CE. That is, if you take the standard year as the birth year of the Jesus Christ, the time after that flows as AD or CE, and the time before that flows as BC or BCE. That is, if you say we got independence in 1947 AD, and you also can say in 1947 CE we got independence. Both are same and both are correct. Okay. On the other hand, if you say in 476 BCE Western Roman Empire was fallen, that is correct, and that is also correct if you say in 476 BCE the Western Roman Empire was fallen. Both are correct. So there is no difference actually at all. Just the naming is different. Okay. I think the confusion is clear. Now, one more thing, one most important thing which we all have to understand and we have to remember, that is there is no zero here in the here notation system. There is no zero here. That is, the birth year of the Jesus Christ is taken as standard, that is 1 AD or 1 CE. 1 AD or 1 CE. And just the previous year is 1 BC or 1 BCE. What is the meaning of that? 1 BC just precedes the 1 AD. There is no zero in between two. That's why years from 1 to 100 is called first century, 101 to 200 is called second century AD or CE, and exactly same as the BC or BCE. Okay, so that's all about BC AD and CE BCE. I think the confusion is clear now. We will meet in another class with another topic. Till then, bye, take care.